So here we have 5 awesome EDC fixed blades. This is the Kaiser Hair, the Sativian ST14, the Civivi Storm Ridge, the Kaiser Kabox, and the Station 9 number 12 undercover. I'm going to look at these one at a time very quickly. This is the Kaiser Hair. Beautiful small fixed blade, fits nice in the hand. This is the Sativian ST14. Nice sheath, nice blade. We've done reviews on all of these in-depth, long videos. Feel free to go check those out. This is the Civivi Storm Ridge. This is the Kaiser Kabox. Very nice sheath. Ring knife. Pinch grip. Fuller. Some jimping. This is the Station 9 number 12 undercover. And again, we've done full reviews on all these knives. But there is 5 awesome EDC fixed blades.